Right, okay, today we're going to be learning The Scientist by Coldplay, a beginner version, the piano part to it. Now, it's generally quite simple. It's only really 4 chords going in different orders, but you can make the chords a bit more interesting if you want to. There's a lot of kind of variants you can do in this song, which is what I like about it. Classic Coldplay song. The verse and the intro are the same, so we're just going to go through that. And then obviously you've got the melody to do in the right hand for the verse. So, the verse consists of D minor, going up to B flat major, then F major, only 3 chords to now. So you've got your D minor chord in the left hand, D minor chord in the right hand, and if you want to make that a bit more interesting and accurate to the song, they use a D minor 7 in the original, which goes like this. Gives it that wee bit of that contrast to make it not entirely minor. So you got that. Go up to the B flat major. Wee C in there, wee octave C. You got your F chord. I tend to do either one finger chord, well, bass notes in the left hand because you got the chord playing in the right hand, or power chords if you want to do that, 5 chords. Whatever suits you, whatever you're more accustomed to, or you can just do the full kind of triad for each chord. So you do that twice for the verse. So then you're going into the that's twice for the intro. You go into the first verse. Now, then you've got the melody coming in. And then you switch chord. Switch chord. And then you notice you kind of take your thumb off here, the F, because you're clashing with your other hand. Then you've got a wee C in here. And then you do that 4 times, and after the intro, and on the 4th time you go into the chorus. That starts on a B flat, so you go into the chorus, B flat, you're just going to F, D, C a bunch of times pretty much, with a B flat chord, whatever variant of that you want. If you're just doing one finger bass notes, that's fine, but otherwise you're doing chords of whatever variant or inversion suits you. So resolve to the F chord, then you go down to the C. An interesting thing that I like to do when I do it is I like to do octaves. That makes it a little bit difficult to go up to the F, but you can get that with a bit of practice. Then the C stays on for the 2nd time. And that's technically a C dominant there, because you've got the B flat in there. Then you go back to F, B flat. This is sort of like the intro and verse, just instead you're doing F instead of D minor. And then you go through that again, but it's the same as the verse and the intro. And that is how you play The Scientist by Coldplay, the piano part to it.